Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily stop sharing your Instagram stories on Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started. So, if you share your stories on Instagram, but you have your stories automatically shared on Facebook as well, you can easily disable this feature if it doesn't suit you. You don't want to use it. So, to do that, you need to open Instagram. Next, at the top, where your image with a plus sign, you click on it in order to go to the history settings. And here, in the top right corner, you'll see a gear. You can click on that, and then the history section. Now scroll to the very bottom, and here you'll see Share Your Stories on Facebook. As you can see, this feature is active by default. And in order to deactivate it, you just need to click on this button to deactivate the Share Stories on Facebook feature. And then you go back out, click Done. After that, all the changes will be saved. You can further expose the story, take a photo, further marks, music, people, and so on. And after you share the story, you'll only have it on Instagram, not Facebook. I hope this video has been helpful to you. You saw how you can stop sharing your stories on Instagram and on Facebook. Put likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.